What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I'm using my iPhone for this video because I forgot the SD card to go in the camera, so yeah, that's a no-go. But anyway, today we got a 08 Chevy Malibu, and I'm gonna show you, it's a 2.4 Ecotech. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the water pump today. So I already got the water pump out, and I already got the new one in, but I'm gonna just show you guys the step-by-step little, whatever you like, the most important thing that you need to know for it. Where's my light at? Y'all know I can't lose snap on. Ooh, spooky. Okay, so I know there's the water pump right there. There's the new one. So in order to get this thing off, there's one bolt right there. As you can see, that one that's in there still. There's one right there. There's one that goes at the top right there. Well, actually no, that comes to the front. So there's one bolt in the back right here. Then you got to come to the front of the motor, and then there's that bolt right there. You have 3 bolts inside of there. You got one right here, one right there, and one in this middle hole. Oh yeah, and guys, make sure that you get this tool. This is the timing belt tool, so that the timing doesn't go off when you do this. But anyways, yeah, back to that. So you got 1 bolt, 3 bolts in here. You got that 1 bolt right there. Let me try to point at it. Put these 2 bolts right there. It's that top one. That top one right there. That one hasn't come out. I freaking fought with this thing for a whole hour yesterday trying to figure out what had to come out, and it was that 1 bolt right there. That's pretty much it. So I took the back cover off because I didn't know I didn't need to, but it's pretty good to take it off anyway, because back here, the cover that goes right there, it's a gasket in between, and that's exactly what went bad on mine. But I just changed the whole water pump, you know, because that's the right thing to do anyway, if you're already right there. So that's what went bad on me. It was leaking like crazy. And yeah, let's go to the top. Let's see what I had to do from the top. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm all over the place with this camera. I really haven't filmed with my phone in so long. I forgot how this even works. So I was back at the top. Now I've seen a lot of people say that you have to take the exhaust off, but I didn't have to take mine off. I took it loose, and I didn't even have to do that. Everything comes out without it. And this is the cover that goes on the back of the water pump that I was talking about. There's a gasket that goes between here, and that's what went bad on mine. So make sure you do that. Okay, so you have to take, there's a water pipe. You have to take this water pipe off. I've seen someone who didn't, but I took it off. There's 3 screws in here, and this is the thermostat housing. There's 1 screw right here, 1 screw on the other side, and 1 at the bottom. I just went ahead and took it out because it was easier for me to get that water pipe out, which is right here. This water pipe. Make sure if you take this off, you replace these 2 gaskets, because it makes sense to do that if it's already off. Back on, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done. Alright, so finally got this crap in. Worst headache of my life. It's freezing cold. Sorry. Anyways, so finally got the exhaust back on. Worst attempt of my life. Could not get this thing lined up. It's freezing cold. My hands are numb now. I can't even feel them. Oh, So all of my gaskets came. Well, never mind. Only 2 gaskets came. only my water pipe gaskets came. So I still can't put my back piece on. So I guess we gotta wait till then. All right, so I got my stuff back. Finally, I got my my gaskets. And oh, it's almost falling. Here's the gasket. It's a very thin gasket, and I don't trust it. So what I'm gonna do is, for future references, so we don't have this issue, I'm gonna just put a little bit of silicone around it too, just to make sure that it stays. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Trying to get it to stay in here, because I don't want to put it back in and then it come out. I'm gonna be mad as hell. That's about as good as it's gonna get. What's going on down in here? Hey, moment of truth. All right, damn. Finally got this hole in here. All right, so we finally got that thing in there. Everything is just becoming so much of a challenge today. Now we're gonna put our new gaskets on our water pipes, because it makes more sense to just do it since you already have it off. Alright, so whenever you guys dealing with these kind of gaskets, rubber, so that they don't pinch and break, I always get like some oil and just rub the oil around the seal a little bit, and it pops right in place a lot easier instead of forcing it and then it breaks. Nah, I need real oil, like motor oil. So I'm just gonna put it in the part where it goes right here. Okay. Now what we're gonna do next is go ahead and attach our water pipe back to the, we're gonna put the thermostat housing back on. Thermostat housing is only 3 bolts. We got 2 shorts and 1 long. That bit on that front edge. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The back side. All right, so we got everything back in. Pretty much all the water pump stuff. Did he put that crank? Nope, he didn't put the crank back in. But I guess I'm gonna just wrap the video up here. Show you guys one more last time. I got my housing back on. I got a new thermostat for it. Put a new thermostat in it. Don't put the old one back in. Everything's back in. Water pump's back on. Everything looks good. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just wrap it up here. Thank you all for watching as always. Make sure you leave a like if you like fixing cars. Yeah, that's pretty much how you do a water on a 08 Chevy Malibu. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.